Today's video will refresh our minds on the major projects transforming Anambra State under the administration of Governor Charles Soludo. Mind you, there are definitely a lot of them, but today's video focuses on 7 major projects shaping Anambra State as we speak. After this video, I'd love to hear your opinions on these top 7 projects transforming Anambra State. Do you think these projects happening in the state give it edge over other southeastern states? If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss out on updates like this. Let's dive in and don't forget to share your thoughts after this video. We'd love to hear from you. So, let's start with the Awka Mall. Remember how this place was abandoned for years? Well, Governor Charles Soludo has taken it upon himself to breathe life into this massive space. Can you imagine the transformation we are about to witness here? What do you think the final look will be like? I, for one, can't wait to see it when it's done. How about you? Next up is a life-saving initiative, free antenatal and delivery services. Under the Soludo administration, every pregnant woman in Anambra State receives free access to antenatal care, delivery, and even cesarean sections when needed. Because of this, there has been zero maternal and child mortality so far. Isn't this just so incredible? How do you feel about this achievement? This has truly set Anambra State apart from other states. Think about how many women out there that cannot afford basic antenatal care, let alone delivery on C-sections. This is truly a game changer for Anambra.
With the coming of Governor Charles Soludo CFR, the healthcare sector in Anambra State has indeed undergone significant changes, driven by various administrative reforms and investments aimed at improving the health sector by the government of Professor Soludo. One of the strategic areas has been that of maternal and childbirth health.
Moving on to infrastructure, the Ezee River Bridge project along the 11.37 kilometer Ozubulu-Atani Road is another major development. This bridge is nearing completion as we speak, and once finished, it will improve connectivity in the area. Imagine how this will boost trade and transport. Are you really excited about this? Let us know in the comment section. And what an exciting state without fun. This brings us to the next project. The Solution Fun City in Awka is another project that has everyone talking. They've already started installing amusement park equipment like the merry-go-round and Ferris wheel, and the water park section is also on the way, with Olympic-sized swimming pools nearing completion. Who is ready for some fun in Awka? I know I am. Now, let's talk about the Ekwulobia flyover, a major traffic solution in the state. With Governor Soludo's administration, Anambra continues to be a project site. If you've gotten this far with us, thumbs up, kindly hit that like button. So, what do you think? Is Governor Soludo doing a fantastic job by revitalizing this long-forgotten project? And just in case you didn't know, Anambra State has now been tagged a hub for infrastructure. What's your take on this? Let us know in the comment section below. The incredible thing is that under Governor Soludo's administration, nearly every corner of Anambra State has turned into a project site. This brings us to one of the major projects in Anambra State. One of the standout projects is the ongoing upgrade of the iconic Ekwueme Square in Awka, the capital city. The public space has long been a cultural and ceremonial landmark, and with the renovation efforts in full swing, it's set to become even more impressive. Soludo's commitment to revitalizing Alex Ekwueme Square, transforming it into a modern venue for events and gatherings that will uplift the city's image. The goal is to make it a hub for tourism, celebrations, and state functions, elevating Anambra's prominence even further. And the ongoing upgrade of the Alex Ekwueme Square is another noteworthy addition. Have you seen how this square is shaping up? Let us know your thoughts on the transformation happening at the heart of Awka. And finally, we have the Aroma Head Bridge. The ongoing construction of the Aroma overpass bridge will link Ifite Awka and Zix Avenue, and the work is happening both day and night to ensure it's completed on time. This bridge will make commuting so much smoother for residents and travelers alike. What do you think of this massive infrastructure upgrade? With this project happening back to back under Governor Charles Soludo's administration, Anambra State is truly setting a standard. From infrastructure to healthcare, it's clear that Anambra State is rising ahead of other southeastern states. What's your take on this? Which of these projects excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you love what we are doing here on Ebony People TV, feel free to make a voluntary donation to help us bring you even more exciting content on the development happening across Igbo land. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in our next video.